Alright, so in today's haircut, we are going to cut a graduated bob. Now, my model has a very active athletic lifestyle, and because of that, we wanted to keep a very simple wash and wear haircut. And the graduated bob is a very simple wash and wear type haircut. So, as you can see, I'm taking a diagonal section from the occipital bone down to the neck, angling my fingers in tight as I get closer to the neck. That's going to keep the weight longer and heavier at the occipital bone, and it's going to take the weight and the length of the hair shorter as I get down by her neck. Now I'm going to continue to take sections working my way up the head, and again keeping the weight at the occipital bone, the length longer, and keeping my fingers shorter and tighter as I get closer to the neck. So you can see, taking another section, combing that, slightly lifting, finding my guide underneath, keeping that hair right there at the occipital bone longer and heavier. That's the purpose of graduation, is the buildup of weight. And then shorter. You can see right here as my fingers get closer to the neck, they get tighter to the neck as well. Once I get up past the ear, then the section will flow all the way around to the front of her face, at which point we will then blend the outline on the right side of her face. And then once we've completed that, of course, we will have completed the right side and we can go do the graduation on the left side. Alright, so now that I've completed the graduation behind the ear, it is time to take that graduation and blend in the outline on the right side. So as you can see right here, I'm going to take a section on the right side and I'm going to comb that hair straight down using the graduation that I cut behind the ear as my guide to blend and flow the outline on the right side in front of the ear. Now, I'm going to continue to take these sections working my way up the head. As you can see, I'm about to take another section here right now. Take another section, comb that section down, and then I'm going to use the underneath section that I just got done cutting as the guide to cut the length on this section. Once I've completed this, I can then do the graduation on the other side. Alright, so now that I've completed cutting the graduation on the right side, it is now time to do the graduation on the left side. So as you can see, doing the exact same thing I did on the right side, taking a diagonal section, holding my fingers away from the head at the occipital bone, but getting my fingers closer to the neck as I work my way down that section to make the hair nice and short down by the neck. I'm going to continue taking sections, working my way up the head, doing the exact same thing I already did on the right side, obviously on the left side. Alright, so now that I've completed the graduation on both the right side and the left side, it is now time to chip in the desired outline that you want in the back of the haircut. So, I'm going through and cutting a diagonal line from the ear to the center back of the neck, and then I'll do the exact same thing on the other side and create the outline of this graduated bob that I am looking for. So we've come to the end of another haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. Check out that graduation. That, my friends, is a graduated bob. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, thank you so very much again for watching.